Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal energy check-in for all the singles Gemini for the rest of the month of Feb 2026. We are going to tap into your current energies, then your new love, then past love, and the guidance as usual. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You will find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let us start. Okay, Gemini, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the High Priestess, the Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. You guys are intuitively and you can say spiritually feeling like there is someone about to enter in your life with whom you can see a long term future with, like happily ever after kind of a deal with, whether this person is actually around you or not. But you guys are sensing it and feeling it that there is some energy around you that is going to meet you halfway, that is going to make you feel you guys are meant for each other. There might be a spiritual person around you who is making you feel in a certain way, but for most of you it's like you guys intuitively feeling ready and energetically feeling that there is someone around you. You are about to enter in a space where you are going to meet your soulmate. Six of Wands at the bottom of the deck, and you guys are feeling quite excited, quite happy, and quite in this energy of, oh my god, when it is going to happen literally in the 3D world. I'm excited, I'm super happy, and I'm super open to the idea of uh, connecting with my soulmate. Wow. This is a very open and ready energy of let's do it. Okay? Okay, you might be the first sign that's actually making it feel like very easy breezy. Let's see your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Gemini. जाने तमन्ना, जाने We have the Four of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. What's happening? So, Gemini, there is a new person, new energy around you, but one of you is very serious. Too serious, too quickly. Things are becoming very serious very quickly. So, one of you is like, okay, let me put my guards up. This is a red flag. Because if things are going to be too good to be true this much quickly, this means things are not good at all. Okay? So, okay, so there is definitely a new person, new energy around you who is interested in you, and or you are interested in them, or maybe both of you like each other, but one of you is trying to make things look very serious very quickly, and that is making the situation shut down completely. Or one of you is very scared of this bonds, of this connections intensity, and you guys are feeling like, okay, I cannot handle this much intensity, I cannot handle this much what we can say pressure, so let's shut this down. Why? You were the only one, you were telling me that I'm ready, and then when it's happening you guys are like, goodbye, not happening, too good to be true, red flag. Maybe the person that you're dealing with is taking it like, I don't care, I don't want to handle this like this is too much for me, too much pressure, too much work, too much expectations, so let's shut this down and maybe talk about it 10 years later from now, because then maybe I will be ready. So one of you is ready to take the situation to a very serious level, the other one is not, and that's why there is a shutdown. Okay, you guys are not even trying to remain friends, or even you guys are like, okay, either this or nothing, so okay, goodbye. Let's see from the romance angels what we have for you guys. Time apart from your partners on the horizon. Yeah, see, you might end up meeting somebody, maybe you know this person from a while, it might not be a totally new person, but you guys are in the separation zone right now deliberately. One of you is choosing to separate their energies from the situation because it's turning too deep, and they're not able to take that much deep shit right now. Like, okay, cool. What to say, what to explain now? Let's see for a past person, past situation that you might be still stuck on. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Moon card, the Emperor. Bottom of the deck is a World card. Okay. There is a sense of wanting to have a brand new beginning, maybe at least have a cordial connection between you and this person, but there's a lot of secretive energies. There are lots of things that are not clear between you guys, and that is why none of you is moving ahead in this direction. Both of you are trying to protect your individual selves from getting hurt again. Okay, bottom of the deck is a World. Both of you are waiting for this cycle to be completely done. There is unfinished business between you guys. There are things that are unresolved, unsaid, unexpressed, and then there is this sense of wanting to have at least a cordial bond or cordial connection. And then there is this energy of, okay, why should I do anything if the other person is not doing anything about it? I should also keep my mouth shut and energy is low key, and I should also keep moving forward in my life. If they don't care, why should I? Yeah, that's actually what's happening here. So regarding a past person, past situation, there is unresolved story here, unexpressed story here, unfinished business here, and there is this desire of at least having a cordial connection, if not a full-fledged relationship, but no one is doing anything about it. So okay, let's see from the Romance Angels what we have for you guys for this new past person, past energy. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner, you see. Actually, this person, this situation that you are feeling like is not the one for you, actually this could be the one. If you guys can come on the same page and resolve the issues and make things happen, this situation can be the one for both of you. But again, there are so many things that are unsaid, unexpressed, unresolved, that this situation right now might seems like very heavy and very deep shit kind of a thing. That's why things are not moving forward. But if you guys can somehow come on the same page and sort it out with each other, this situation can actually be the one for both of you. Okay, to you, if you guys want to do something about it or not, right? Nobody can force you guys. This is your free will. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Gemini. We have the Hermit, the Knight of Cups, the Star card. Bottom of the deck is the Strength card. Before making any kind of move in this direction, before making any kind of life-changing decision or choice in this direction of your love and relationship area, make sure you are completely healed. Make sure you are completely ready to take whatever it takes to keep moving forward. Make sure that you are your best version from your side. Forget about the other person. You yourself is in love with yourself. You are your best version, and you are ready to take whatever it you are ready to do whatever it takes to have a healthy relationship from your side. Okay, don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices just because you think you have healed. If you are very scared of opening up, if you are very scared in moving forward, if you are always scared of what is going to happen next, then you have not healed. Then you are not in the surrender mode kind of energy. Bottom of the deck is the Strength card. If from inside you feel like something is holding you back from moving forward in this dynamics, in this department of your life, then you need little more time with yourself. Sit with this energy, understand what is making you hold back and why you should not be moving forward in this kind of energy, and then become your best version, become your healed version, become the one that can like bring everything on the table that you want from the other person, and then move forward without any fear, without any kind of insecurities or any kind of doubt. Okay, then you're good to go, Gemini. That's the deal for you guys. Let's see the final message from you for you guys from the Romance Angels as the guidance. You have known each other before, past life relationship. There might be somebody around you who make you feel like you guys have a past life relationship kind of a thing, and or you guys have some kind of issues that keeps on coming back in your love and relationship area again and again and again. This might be related to this lifetime or previous ones. Nobody knows about that. But at least in this lifetime, you know there is a pattern that keeps on repeating itself again and again and again. And you should be aware of that. And you guys have to remove that pattern, remove that cycle, repetitive cycle. And then you guys are going to be free to go, free to move forward. But you have to understand the pattern here that keeps on repeating itself again and again and again when it comes to your love and relationship area, the same kind of people, the same kind of energy. If it is not applicable, don't take it personally. If it is, work on this. Okay, nothing is going to change if we are going to change nothing. That's for sure. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.